Hi everyone, welcome back to Patty's Peaceful Place of Pause. As you can see, the greenhouse is covered in snow. Today is Saturday, January 2nd, 2021. Yay, we made it through 2020. So, there's snow on top of the greenhouse, all around. This is after a couple days of snow and freezing rains and temperatures. Let's see, right now currently in the greenhouse it is almost 40 degrees. And as you can see in the greenhouse, I covered over my raised beds with agriculture plastic to give them extra insulation. And there is condensation there, so they have moisture, self-watering basically when it thaws out. And let's take a look up at the top here. As you can see here, it's bowed. It should be flat, or it's typically flat, but it has snow on it. So it's weighing it down. I'm going to lightly tap on it to get the snow to fall off. I did this during the second snow, because the first snow wasn't much. It was a dusting. But the second snow of the season, it also did this bowing, so I simply lift and let it slide off. And I do want to keep the snow around the greenhouse. As master gardeners have said, it helps keep it insulated. Oh, I'm getting there's some condensation on the inside. It's dripping on me now. So as those of you who have been following know, I have these white lights down the center and they're working. Still, the colorful lights, not so much. Apparently LED doesn't work too well in the cold. It has to warm up or whatnot, but I have to test the lights to see if it is in fact the cold or if they're just defective. Because we just bought them. They're brand new, so I'll have to check that out. Let me get this other one. Alright, that is a cold shower because there's, let me see if we can zoom in a little. There's all this moisture droplets inside, and when I did that and I didn't get away from it fast enough, those droplets fell down on me. Cold. So cold. Alright. This is great. It's been insulating it, but it's putting too much pressure on the top here. Let me see if I can. There. Now that I've taken this one off, I can compare it to that, how it's bowing a lot more. I don't look forward to breaking the ceiling of the greenhouse. That would not be good. I do still need to put some kind of supports in it to help it guide the snow to slide off, but for now this is alright. It's working. And I'll simply let it slide the snow off, and it'll insulate around the bottom of the greenhouse, which is good. Snow is an insulator. But I do want the top so it doesn't break or damage. And when the sun does decide to make its appearance again, it'll warm up the greenhouse. Get this water. I wasn't fast enough on that one either. Alright, that's good. My fingers are frozen. Frozen fingers. Okay. Let's take a look down here. Look underneath. So the celery's still doing good. It appears to be wilted over, but that's possibly the weight of the plastic over it. Also without the sunlight, it's going to do that, but it's still growing. Or not growing, it's still alive under there. Same with the onions and kale. This raised bed actually has the bottom base open, so it goes into the ground, so it has a little extra natural ground insulation heat as well. This was the sweet corn and tomatoes, which didn't make it, unfortunately, earlier on. And then the carrots are under here. Again, they're not fully green like when the sun's out, but they're still good under. When the sun comes back out, I'll put the shovel over here to dig up one to show you. Right now they're still baby carrots, so it's taking a little bit longer than I anticipated for the harvest, but I also did not account for the cold. Cold does slow the growth on plants, is what I've learned from master gardeners, so that considered, not doing too badly. So, first season, it's going to be a lot of learning. Oh, and I did bring the herbs down on the ground and under this cover as well, as you can see, to help protect them a bit more from the cold. There's the sage, lavender, and catnip. Or no, I'm sorry, catnip's over there, it's gone. Lavender, rosemary, and sage. I take that back, I don't know what I was thinking. So sage, rosemary, lavender, and the cilantro is my amazing miracle plant this year. I did not expect it to do what it's doing, and as you can it still has some green peeking out there, and that's really, to me, very surprising because it's a summer heat-loving, sun-loving plant. So awesome. That went beyond my expectations. So, alright, let's cover these back up. Alright, until next time, take care, stay safe, everyone, and let's make 2021 a better year.